Hey guys, in this question, we need to find the sum of the given series, which is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 to minus 230. If you look closely at the series, you can see that it is an AP with a common difference of minus 3, and the first term is minus 5 and last term as minus 230. So this AP is decreasing, and we now need to calculate the n, that is total number of terms in the AP, in order to calculate the sum of the. So the sum of the series can be calculated, the number of terms in the series can be calculated using this formula, that is L minus A by D, where L is the last term of the AP, A is the first term, and D is the common difference. And by using this formula, we get n is equals to 76. Now there are two formula for calculating sum of an AP, one of which is n by 2 multiplied by sum of first and last term, and here first term is minus 5 and last term is minus 230. Just replace it in the formula and solve the equation we get. Here we have the equation 76 divided by 2 into minus 5 minus 230. So the answer we get is minus 8930. So the correct answer for the sum of the given AP is minus 8930.